Hey there, fellow superhero enthusiasts. Today, we're going to create an incredible DIY Wolverine claw made out of cardboard. Trust me, it's super easy to build, and you can even make your own using my template. Hey there, I'm DJ Crafts, making awesome things out of cardboard and scraps. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome crafting tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting! Let's get started. Kick things off by crafting a template using paper and a pencil. Once you have your template, cut it out and insert it into cardboard. For the claws, make 6 pieces and combine them to form 3 sets of 2 claws each. Don't forget to use the paper bag from your cardboard for extra. Next up, let's cut the layer of paper bag each claw. Piece by piece, and insert them into the edges. Finally, put a hole in the circle at the bottom of each claw and insert a stick to create the base for your claw. And there you have it, your very own DIY Wolverine claw. Thanks for joining me on this fun and easy DIY project. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting!